Happy Thursday, folks. Thanks for joining us here on Valley News Live at 6 o'clock. A beautiful look from our Luther Family Ford Skycam showing some blue sky, some sunshine there peeking through. Still seeing some clouds out there, and some of those clouds may still have some raindrops over them. Notice a bit of a shake in the camera and a bit of a shake in the light pole there in that Luther Family Ford parking lot as well. But some sunshine is peeking its way out from behind those clouds. I do expect that trend to continue as we do see gradually clearing skies in Fargo-Moorhead and improving conditions across our Minnesota neighborhoods here in the hours ahead. But currently at Hector International Airport, it is the temperature is actually not showing up there in Fargo at this time, but Moorhead 64 degrees. I believe it's 63 degrees in Fargo from what I remembered before we lost that data. But wind is calm for us in Fargo, at least it's what's reporting. Must be having some data issues there because we can see on our Luther camera, and definitely not calm there in Fargo. But current temperatures coolest off toward Minnesota, 47 in Bemidji, 51 in Baudette. That's two of the cooler spots, but a lot of 60s across North Dakota. Still at this hour, 63 Valley City and Gwinner, 64 in Jamestown. Our friends in Aberdeen, 69 degrees there at this hour. So there's the satellite and radar. As you can see, those improving conditions in cloud cover there up toward the north with mainly clear skies across Grand Forks. Thief River Falls seeing mainly clear skies as well. And I do expect that trend to continue across the I-94 corridor. We are still seeing, of course, some showers, though, from Bemidji down toward the south toward Wadena, Perham, Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, still seeing some of those light rain showers. Then across the Red River in toward North Dakota, seeing near Lisbon some of those yellows, which does indicate some stronger shower activity at this time. But I do expect those pockets of heavier rain to be few and far between. I expect lighter rain to be the rule of order as these showers continue pushing off toward the south and those clouds exit off toward the south as well in the hours ahead. A close look in there, you can see, yes, Lisbon seeing some of those yellows there outside of Lisbon. But we did, of course, see some near Litchfield as well, some of those deeper greens indicating some heavier rainfall, which this in North Dakota, Stutsman County, Barnes County, this is where we need that rainfall the most with those extreme drought conditions that we've seen for the past couple of weeks. And of course, with that drought and the wind we're seeing today, red flag warning does continue for the next couple of hours for pretty much everybody, so dangerous fire conditions will continue through the rest of this Thursday evening. And of course, there's a look at those wind speeds. We'll go back and take a look at those wind speeds, mostly around 20 to 25 miles per hour for most everybody out of the northerly direction, gusting 33 miles per hour there in Jamestown, a 23 mile per hour speed in Grand Forks, gusting 31. So we will see those winds calm down a little bit in the next few hours, but I do expect even by, say, 10 o'clock or so, we'll still see a bit of that northerly wind with us. And we'll see on the hour by hour, this breaks it down nicely. You see those showers exiting off toward the south, and by, say, 10 o'clock or so, still seeing some blue arrows, which indicates 10 to 15 miles per hour, that northerly wind, 40s and 50s by the 10 o'clock hour. And then by the morning hours, we'll see clear skies, and thanks to that north wind, expecting some 20s up toward the north with temperatures near freezing off toward the south. So in the morning, may need to bring those plants in if you have any outdoors in the overnight hours. But then for Friday, plenty of sunshine, warming up eventually into the 50s for most of us, near 60 for the hot spots for us on Friday. And high pressure means things will stay quiet for us through the rest of the evening on Friday as well. Then looking ahead, of course, to the 7-day planner, we'll see what we're expecting for Mother's Day weekend. We have those highs there in the upper 50s for Mother's Day. Watching a few showers on Saturday for Mother's Day, mainly off toward the west, which, Andrea, Mike, that's good news for those folks in central North Dakota, as they could see some heavier showers on Saturday as that system tracks its way through.
Let's hope they get that rain. Thanks.
You bet.
A lot of work goes into